Hey guys, it's Dawn Beltrami from Roselle Properties, and it is freaking Friday. This week's Showcase Home of the Week is a cute little 1920s bungalow. It's located at 212 East 24th Street. You can walk to Yale, you can walk to 19th Street. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 970 square feet, and it's being brought to you by Michael Brown with Coldwell Banker. And guys, he's having his open house this Sunday from 2 to 4. Come check this home out and let's walk this house. So this is a great view of your front porch and the street that you live on. This front porch has the beadboard on the ceiling. I love this porch swing, and then also it has the wood floor decking here as well. So you walk into this home right into the living room. It has a lot of light. It has the original 2-inch wood floors, which are absolutely gorgeous. And then this is where your TV would go. And then you walk into the dining room. It's a nice space for a dining room. And then you go right to the kitchen. It was updated, granite countertops, tons of windows, bright and light. It has the white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Here's where your washer and dryer is. It stays with the home. And then you have the cooktop here, 4 burners with the middle wider cooktop. And then also you have the refrigerator, which is staying with the home. You come back out to the dining room area where the bedrooms are. And then to the right is the master bedroom. It's also full of light, original 2-inch floors in here as well. It's ensuite, has this great shower. It has the stone countertop here for the sink. And then it does have a nice sized closet, considering that this is a little bungalow. So it's actually nice size for sure. And then you walk back out to the hallway. You have the second bathroom with the tub shower combo. And then you come into the second bedroom. It's in the front of the house. It's also lots of light, and the wood floors continue. It does have a smaller closet, but that's to be expected in this size of home. So this little bungalow's backyard is a fantastic addition. It has the deck here. It has the gorgeous pergola that you can sit underneath. And it's a really nice space with the large 2-car garage out here as well. So this is just a really great space for your family and also to entertain. So is this the cutest little bungalow? Guys, come check it out this Sunday during Michael's open house from 2 to 4. And if you have any questions about this home or any other homes that you can find on the interactive map below, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I'll be more than happy to give you a private showing at any of these homes. My contact information is at the end of this video, and I look forward to seeing you next week at the next Showcase Home of the Week.